Good morning, guys. Right now I'm on my way to work and I'm a bit late, so let me walk fast. I'll see you guys in the bus. So guys, as you can see here, I'm already in the bus and this is me showing you guys my ticket. So you guys remember while I was leaving the house, I was telling you guys that I wanted to walk fast so I will not miss my bus. I missed it. So this is me sitting down in the next bus waiting for it to move. Hello guys, so I actually just got down from the bus not too long ago. I'm on my way and the distance from my work to the bus station is like 25 minutes. I'm close to work anyway. I missed my bus today. I missed my bus and it's not like I'm very late. I'm like 1 minute to the bus station and I saw the bus going. I waved, I shouted, nobody here. I have to go and sit down in the bus, in the next bus for 30 minutes. Because how my bus work is, they work every 30 minutes. If you miss one, you have to wait for another 30 minutes to take the second one. Alright guys, let me show you my front. Guys, right now I'm at work. As you can see here, I'm pressing the bell so my madam will come and open the door for me. I'll see you guys inside. So guys, this is me inside though, dancing to do shagala. So guys, this is my first assignment for the day, or let me say first work for the day. I'm changing the water because the water on the dispenser is finished, so I'm going to change it and put another one. Here I am showing you guys my cleaning equipment, what I use to clean, and work will start. So guys, as you can see, I have started my work for the day. So I'll be showing you guys a little bit of me doing my thing, but I cannot show you everything because it's a lot. So sit down and watch me doing my thing. Alright guys, so what I'm doing here is I will go ahead and clean the window. This is the first thing that I do if I enter a room to clean it. I first of all sweep clean the carpet, then I'll go to the window. So when I finish cleaning the window, the next thing that I will do is to lay the bed. So this is me changing the bed sheet and laying and putting another one. This is the bed sheet after I finish making it. So now I will go ahead and clean everything, the furniture behind the camera, and I'll show you guys when I'm mopping the floor.
Walking alone streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above.
Guys, this is the bathroom. I'll go ahead and clean it and I'll show you guys when I'm done. And this is after I've done cleaning the bathroom. I'm sorry I cannot show you guys because it's going to take a lot of time, please. And guys, after the floor has dried, what I will do next is put back the carpet that I took from the room when I want to clean it. So I'm going to put all the carpet back now. You can watch me as I do that. So guys, I've gone ahead and cleaned the other rooms that I am supposed to clean this very day. So the remaining thing for me to do now is to clean the living room and then go to the kitchen to arrange it. Alright, you can watch me as I clean the living room. Guys, this is how I usually clean. I have a spray that will spray on the carpet and on the couch, and then I will sweep the carpet and remove it from the floor. Then I will go to the window and clean the window stroke balcony. Then I will come and sweep the floor, mop the floor, clean the furniture, and that is it.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
And this is me showing you guys the other side of the living room. I've gone ahead to clean the carpet and roll it up. So
I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
So guys, I'm now in the kitchen. I'm drinking water, then I'll go ahead and clean the kitchen. And this is me playing with the princesses in the kitchen. So guys, I just finished now. I'm on my way home. Right now it's 11 after 5. So before I got to the bus station, it should be somewhere around 5:25. So I already left. I left like 10 minutes ago. So I'm tired, and this is my favorite time. When I finish and I'm going, this is my favorite time of the day. I'm hungry, I'm tired. Alright guys, so I will see you guys in the bus. Let me not talk too much. And I'm still going out when I get home. I still have somewhere to go today. Still.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul.
So guys, I'm home now. This is where I started my video this morning. Now I'm heading it there. Thank you so much for going with me to work today. Ekuleo.
Come. Why would you give me a hug?
How are you?
I'm fine.
So guys, this is the same day, and me and my family, we are going to the mall to buy microwave, because our microwave just suddenly stopped working. So this is where we are going.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
So guys, we have decided to go with this one. So this is the one we choose.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly.
So guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe and turn on your notification bell below to get notified whenever I upload new video. Thanks so much. Please like and subscribe. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.